Hi YouTube, Sloyd here. I went to Target today and bought every Feastables flavor that they had, and I'm gonna rank them on a tier list. S tier, Nick Foles. A tier, Michael Vick. B tier, Jalen Hurts. C tier, Randall Cunningham. D tier, Donovan McNabb. And then F is Carson Wentz. Let's dive in. First, we got the peanut butter Feastables. It's even got his YouTube name on it, Mr. Beast. He's good at branding. I know it's weird to say this, but I can't taste much of the chocolate. It's just overwhelming amount of peanut butter, which is an okay flavor, but it's kind of artificial tasting. So I'm going to put this one in C tier. Now we have the milk chocolate Feastables. So far, all I've gotten is really artificial flavor taste. C tier again. Let's hope this one can change my mind. The thing I've noticed about all these, except for the peanut butter, they're all crushed. Like, when I open it, it's not intact. It's not together. It's like a bunch of crumbly bits. I don't really like that. I do, however, like the flavor a lot. A tier. Now we got our Milk Crunch Feastables. I've been told it tastes just like a Crunch bar. Oh, and it's in one piece. I spoke it into existence, I guess. It does not taste like a Crunch bar. However, it is pretty stale. D tier. Last but not least, we got the caramel. Hopefully this one's good. Check out the inside. That's pretty promising. This is by far the best Feastables. It says caramel, but it's salted caramel, and it melts in your mouth. This one's easily S tier. I hope this video has shed some light on Feastables. My favorite one's the caramel. I highly recommend it. Try them all like me if you feel like it. Until then, this has been Sloyd Vision.